This was the amount of dirt that was in the this fan component. There is still a little bit of dust in the fan. This is my old laptop Toshiba. This was a bad cover, and I took it off to clean the fan. Actually, right now I removed the screws from the fan so that I could remove the fan and clean it. Actually, the fan is really dirty. Let me show you how this is. So this is a fan, and this is a CPU. It's an Intel Pentium, and right now it only has a CPU, Intel Pentium, and it doesn't have any other GPU. That's why you are not seeing any other cooling system. So this is the fan I removed. It's so dirty. As you can see, there's some kind of dirt. It's so dirty. So yeah, I am going to clean this part, and also I'm going to remove the fan. I'm not really an expert in this part. This is my first time doing this, so let's get into it. Right now I have removed the fan, so you can see dirty, and yeah, what was I doing? So it's a fan part actually, and this is a fan. See right? Yeah, it's so much dirty. I need to take my vacuum cleaner and clean that stuff. Fan thing, so it's clean. It has some dirt in it, but it's far from us, and it's actually clean right now. So I'm going to put this in. Before that, I need to clean this part right here, and also that part. Now I have cleaned ventilation part. I think it's clean. You can see the camera in. Yeah, it should be clean. Okay, it's pretty clean. That's nice. So right now it's clean, and that's a fan clean actually done, and I'll screw it back. And this is for video of this, and I'm trying to do a restoration of this laptop. I need your support. I need you guys to support me, subscribe to the channel, and do all the necessary things. So right now I'll put this fan back in, and also I will put everything back to its original place. So I'm thinking about cleaning the back cover of the laptop. It's also really dusty. You can see the dust right here. So I'm going to clean this. So that's it with this video. I have cleaned the fan, and it's actually looking pretty decent. Although this is not going to run up, it's not going to boot up anything. So I will install Windows from the start, and that will be a next video. Probably, and also in the future we will fix this hinge issue. So right now you can see that the hinge is actually broken. So you can see this, the hinge is broken, so I'll do that in our future videos. Okay, so that'll be a future video. See you guys.